Dad.
See black goat factory.
You know that before?
Come on, my children. Have a seat. Have a seat. See, I no get goat. I no get papa, mama. I no have money. Oh.
It's okay. I have a story to tell.
Storyteller.
Have a seat.
That's it.
Okay?
Nahin.
Please come and have your seat.
You come now. Come sit down now. Come sit down. If you want to sit down.
Feel free. I know we know each other. That was long time, and I was a little daughter.
I talk I can remember him. Next thing I do, mama.
My children. I did that because of my doctor here. I love her so much. She's my inspiration. She's my everything in this life.
Sorry. Please, can you guys just calm down? Dad, please, what's going on here?
Amanda, you can't understand. My doctor, Amanda, I know, we know each other.
Sir, please, I have something to say. And because I'm speechless. I don't know. Amanda, is that your father?
Yes, it's my dad.
You know me tell me say this one is your father. I don't be fool. This one.
Dad, what's going on here? I don't understand. What is this talking about?
Nah, Amanda, you can't understand. That was a long story.
Oh, this guy really trying, you know. Really? They really work so hard. They really try for the work. Really? Wow.
Gotta walk.
Who is this cute guy?
I need money. As I did like this, I
Wow.
need money.
This guy is so cute. I think it's my taste. And I'm in love with him.
Like seriously, I spent half today now.
But my dad did not
say-
told me you have someone like this working with him. This guy fine boy, cute guy. Wow. Just
I
look
don't
at
walk
his
now.
standing.
See my hand, see cold.
I think
See my hand.
I asked Chima about him because Chima is the manager. He will know more about him. I think so. Because the guy is so cute.
Almost today
Wow.
slow, eh? Almost see my hand.
Don't worry. I talk about him.
I will
Wow.
take this my ticket. Okay. I will not do this. What ticket? 1.6 billion. I used to 50 cents here. No matter. I collect 165 days. You know what your man born you that day? If you want to take go village market, don't say go say Ogiri. You know Ogiri? That's it. That's the tip manju. You know what kind of money you dey play gamble. I will say this game. You say I wish. At least I wish. See right. Do I like Abino? I dey sure say this game for enter. I bet work no comot. You dey sure, but you lose money now. And you know say yesterday me you sleep hungry. You remember say that native doctor not even do wetin we ask am. You know say me I sleep hungry. Tell me say you carry the remain €2. Take go play gamble. Now play the money.
So that other day when we go farm, may you pass the other side, back pass them. I saw two guys where they work.
Which guy? Okay, Andy and Spyro.
The one me plated.
Hey, that one better guy. I got man, he beat so. So as you see and so, me and I run things with him. That one a correct guy.
But I really like that one, make later. Yes.
Okay, now. Oh, now for your parole now. The later now we will run things now. Maybe they see. No, they just go.
No problem.
We'll talk that one.